What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. We are now in the Beast of the East. And for the one person who doesn't know what that is, Ireland is currently experiencing a blizzard because of a mix of Arctic air and Storm Emma. I have no idea why, but we have snowfall like we haven't had in years. Not close this gate.
Was that wrong? Should I not have done that?
Okay, so this snow is a whole lot of fun for a lot of people. I'm off college from like Tuesday all the way till next Monday, same at most schools and workplaces, which is just excellent. But there's one serious aspect to this. You gotta look after the elderly, your elderly neighbours, anyone who is in need. And now I live with my 82-year-old granny. She is in serious need of a life or death commodity. If she's gonna lose it if she doesn't get this thing, and she can't get out to the shops because of the storm, so she sent me on this mission. Let's see, can we make the super value alive? Yes, my granny really did send me out in blizzard-like conditions just to get her a bottle of wine. It's actually about 3 o'clock, and in an hour or so there's an imposed curfew in like all of Leinster and Munster anyway, where no one's allowed to be outside after 4 o'clock. It's not supposed to be. Thank God we got that wine.
Hey, can you lock down the expression? Hey, inside of me, confession. Hey, out your eyes, my neck. Man, you're an open boy. Hey, all the leaves become motion. Hey, go on, seize your devotion. Hey,
Pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Alright guys, thanks for watching that vlog. I know it was a bit of a stupid one, maybe not what I expected from this amazing blizzard, but I can't really get up to too much because I'm in final year of college and I have so much nonsense to be at. Also, I have a really bad foot injury, so actually walking is a struggle. Thought it was a bit fitting to sign this vlog off out here, but now I'm not too sure because oh my god, it is freezing. Yeah. See you guys in the next one.